Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can recover your Bungie account. So if you've somehow forgotten the password to your Bungie account and are wondering for ways to recover it, stick with me till the end of this video to find out how you can do that. For this, first of all, head over to your Chrome or any other web browser and then go to bungie.net. When you go to bungie.net, you can see and land on an interface that looks pretty much like this, where on the upper right hand side you can see 3 horizontal lines. Tap on it and then select sign in. After tapping on sign in, you'll have to select a particular thing over here, so I'm just going to tap on STEM because I signed up using STEM. Now after doing that, I will now land on an interface that looks pretty much like this. I'll have to sign into Bungie using my STEM account. So what I have to do here is I have to enter my STEM username and my password. Now what I can also do is tap on the upper left and 3 horizontal lines and then tap on the login button. And now here I can see that since I've forgotten the password to my STEM account, I will not be able to recover my Bungie account yet because they're interlinked with one another. So I'll just have to tap on forgot your password, and after tapping on forgot your password, here select I forgot my STEM account name or password, and after doing this I'll have to enter the email address. So here I'm just going to enter the email address, then tap on I am not a robot, and after doing this, complete this process in order to verify that I'm actually not a robot. And after doing this, I will now be directed towards another interface after I tap on the search button. So here I can simply tap on send a verification code to my email. So here it says that an account verification link was sent to my email address, so I'll have to just go and check for myself if I've received any forms of emails from STEM. So here currently I'm just waiting for the email to arrive, and as my Gmail loads, I will now be able to see that STEM support has sent me an email. So here I'm just going to tap on it, open it, and then tap on resume recovery. Then open it with Chrome. And after doing that, I will now land on a page that looks like this. That'll help me to reset my password. So tap on reset my password, and after tapping there I can change my password now. So here I'm just going to change my password real quickly. It says that the password should contain at least 7 characters, and then re-enter the password, then tap on change password, and after a certain while it says here that your password has been updated. So now by using the updated username and the password, you can go back to bungie.net and start logging into your account, and you'll get logged in. So this is basically how you can recover your account. It's a very simple process. By following the step-by-step instructions, you'll be able to do so. And if you do recover your account after watching this video, do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to App Guide, and hit that bell notification so that you do not miss out on any of our future tutorial videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you around next time.